Next to very one of the most important reaction, that is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is also Gattermann formylation also called. This is also called formylation. Gattermann-Koch formylation. So Gattermann-Koch reaction, in this benzene, okay, in this simply benzene when treated with carbon monoxide plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, carbon monoxide plus HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, aluminium chloride, or cuprous chloride, Cu2Cl2. This is called cuprous chloride. Copper is +1 oxidation state. So this cuprous chloride or anhydrous Lewis acid when react with carbon monoxide and HCl, carbon monoxide plus HCl, this both will be gives the electrophile formyl. Okay, now from this we will get this. Okay, now formyl group. Okay, this formyl will be attacked. This is the electrophile. This is a electrophile. It will be attacked on the benzene ring. Simply we will get benzaldehyde. Okay, we will get benzaldehyde, right? So you can take this. So benzene when react with carbon monoxide with HCl, it gives you benzaldehyde. This is called as a Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. Benzene carbaldehyde is the product, right? Next to properties of benzaldehyde. Properties of benzaldehyde. Dehyde. See, simply like other aldehydes, other aldehydes, benzaldehyde also participate in all type of reactions, nucleophilic addition reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, nucleophilic addition reactions, addition followed by elimination reactions. Okay, and phenyl hydrogen or hydrogen 2,4-DNP, same similar reactions. Okay, na similar reactions we have discussed already in the aldehydes and carbonyl case. Okay, so like other aldehydes participate in all type of reactions, nucleophilic nucleophilic philic reactions, nucleophilic addition reactions, and nucleophilic addition elimination, nucleophilic philic addition followed by elimination reactions. Okay, and also other reactions like condensation reactions. They react with the Grignard reagent HCl, HCN. Okay, na hydrogen cyanide, sodium bisulfite, comma Grignard reagent RMGX. Same reactions as we discussed it aldehydes के same reactions. Nucleophilic addition elimination reactions mean ammonia, phenyl hydrazine. Okay, na ammonia, hydrazine mean N2H4 and 2,4-DNP, 2,4-DNP. All reactions are participate. Okay, every reaction, etc. Hydrazine and hydroxylamine NH2OH. Okay, this reaction. And also very important reaction is it also participate in Cannizzaro reaction, and fourth one crossed aldol condensation reactions. Main important these two. In these reactions, so it can be participates. So Cannizzaro reaction. So in Cannizzaro reaction, the aldehydes are ketones which are containing without alpha hydrogen. Okay, na. So without alpha hydrogen, lack of alpha hydrogen, without alpha hydrogen. So in this case, so two molecules of aldehyde two molecules of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound mean it may be aldehyde or ketone. It may be aromatic or not. Two molecules of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound without alpha hydrogen. Having compound having without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen undergoes self oxidation and reduction, so called as a disproportionation. Okay, in the presence of concentrated base alkali to give salt of carboxylic acid and alcohol is called a Cannizzaro reaction. So this is a, see, two molecules of carbonyl compound having without alpha hydrogen. There is no alpha hydrogen, undergoes self oxidation and reduction. Okay, now oxidation reduction means disproportionation in the presence of concentrated base to give salt of carboxylic acid and alcohol as the products is called Cannizzaro reaction. For example, so if you take, I'm taking 2 moles of benzoyl